Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I wanted to talk about an important topic that many content creators struggle with on YouTube: reused content and monetization issues. As you may know, YouTube has strict policies regarding reused content. This means that if you're simply reposting content that you've already uploaded, you may be flagged for violating YouTube's guidelines. Not only that, but if you're experiencing monetization issues, it can be frustrating and impact your ability to earn income from your channel. But don't worry, I'm here to help. I offer a service that can fix these issues for you, so you can focus on creating amazing content without worrying about YouTube's policies. By using my service, I can guarantee that your content will be free of reused content issues, and I can help you to get your monetization back on track. If you're interested in learning more about my service, I have attached the service link in the video description. Be sure to check the service delivery time, service rating, order progress, and service reviews to ensure you're making an informed purchase. So if you're struggling with reused content and monetization issues on YouTube, don't hesitate to reach out to me for help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.